Yes, read the statement of question number second.
Show that the points -2, 3, 5 and 1, 2, 3
1, 2, 3
and 7, 0, -1.
7, 0, -1. These 3 points are collinear. Question is clear? We have to show these 3 points are collinear. I am considering this point as A, this as B, and this point as C. And we have to show these 3 points are lie on a same line. Then by the concept of class 10, by using distance formula, if you are solving this, then we have to show AB plus BC is equal to AC. And by distance formula, we are able to get the values of AB, BC and AC. Then find out the values of AB, BC and AC. And tell me the values. Use distance formula, find out the value of AB. You have to solve this. Find out the values of this AB. Use distance formula. In the previous question we have done this. And tell me the answer. Do it fast, tell me the answer.
BC root 40. BC, AC, AB.
AC.
AB. Root 14.
Yes, the root 14 is written.
Root 56. Root 126.
Simplify the root first. Root 3 root 14. These values you are getting. AB you are getting root 14, BC you are getting 2 root 14 and AC we are getting 3 root 14 and clearly we are observing the sum of these two. If you are adding these two, you are getting the value of AC. Root 2, root 14 plus 2 root 14 we are getting 3 root 14 and that is the value of AC. It means that at last we are able to write yes, these 3 points are collinear. Then write down at last yes, A, B, C are collinear. Question is clear to all? Then next question we have question number 3. Written? You have not get the value of AC. You have to find AC also. Find out the value of AC also. Then we are able to verify this whether the sum of these two is equal to AC or not. The last question. Read the statement of question number 3.
Question number 3. Verify the following. First, 0, 7, minus 10 and 1, 6, minus 6 and 4, 9, minus 6 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle.
Write it down. We have to show 3 vertices are given to you. and we have to check whether the given three vertices are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. Then isosceles triangle we know. Isosceles triangles are
Two sides are equal.
Having?
Base angles are equal.
having base angles
And two
equal
sides-
and having
two sides equal.
Good. Sit down. Equilateral triangle,
All three sides are equal.
all sides are equal. Scalar, scalar triangle.
I don't know.
Scalar triangle. Types of triangle on the basis of side. How many types of triangle we have? On the basis of side.
Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and sir triangle in which three sides are not equal.
That triangle we are calling scalar triangle. Then this we know. And if the vertices are given to you, then we are taking the vertices as A, B, C, and then we are able to check whether the length of any two sides are equal or not. Means we have to find the length of AB, BC and AC first, and then we have to check whether the two sides are equal or not. Then tell me the coordinate. Yes.
0, 7 minus 10.
0, 7 minus
10.
10.
1, 6 minus 6.
1, 6 minus 6.
Yes, sir. 4, 9 minus 6.
4, 9
Minus 6.
minus 6.
Yes, sir.
These three coordinates we have, and we are able to find the length of the sides of triangle. AB we are able to find. Find out the length of AB by using distance formula. Similarly BC. Similarly AC. These three lengths we have to find. Do it fast and tell me the solution.
AB is equal to BC.
Tell me the length of the sides. AB you are
3
getting.
root 2.
BC,
3 root 2.
AC. These three we have to find first. Whether you are getting that two length equal or not. But we have to find all the three length. It may be the third length may be also equal to the previous two length. For this reason we have to find first the three length.
Third side is not equal.
Tell me the length.
6.
6 units. Then clearly by observing the length of AB, BC and AC, we are observing here AB and BC. These two are equal in length. It means that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Then at last we have to write down, since AB is equal to BC, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Clear though? Similarly, by using the distance formula, we have to solve these questions, and all these questions are on the basis of the concept of class 10. You have to show that given three vertices are vertices of a right angle triangle. Then we have to verify Pythagoras theorem. If we have to show the given three vertices are vertices of an equilateral triangle, then we have to show all the three lengths are equal. Then these kinds of questions we have, it means that we have to solve all these questions. Solve these questions in your notebook.